All right. So we are going on and seeing what else is in the bag. Well, I am bringing Clorox Lysol wipes because you never know what you're going to have to be touching, what you're going to have to be doing. And I'm going to put these in my carry-on bag because my tray table is, yes, my friends, fun fact or disgusting fact. They say that the tray tables in the airplanes, yes, we're past COVID, so they're not cleaning them. They are actually more filthy than the lavatory. Yes, my friends, the tray tables in your airplane could be more corroded with cootie bacteria and germs than the toilet. So bring these, bring wipes, whatever flavor, whatever choice you do. No, you don't eat them. They're wipes. They're cleaning wipes. But this is a great little pack of 9, easy to throw in the purse, throw away, get another bag. I got these on Amazon by the case, okay? So we're doing a lot of traveling. Each one of us are going to carry our own little pack, clean our tables, and hey, you know me, I love to travel. What happens if I'm touching handrails because I'm tired and I'm touching handrails? My friends, clean your hands. Clean your hands, clean your hands. This is going to take off the cootie bacteria, and if we're talking about this kills, of course, COVID-19. It also kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. It kills E. coli. My friends, we're no longer going to throw up or get sick or food poisoning because we touched our tray table. It happened to me once. I've been flying a bunch, and I don't ever want to do that again. It kills salmonella, it kills strep. It kills a lot of things, prevents odor-causing bacteria growth for 24 hours. 5 times the cleaning power. Very, very nice and handy. All right, so what else did we have in the bag? Well, for my recycle, upcycle, reuse, use a lot people, I have these handy dandy little zipper pouches that are reusable. These are rubber. You can stick this in the top shelf of your dishwasher safe in the top shelf. These are wonderful. Don't want to throw away, don't want to waste. These are great. You never know why you're going to need a storage bag. So bring these. They go right in the lining of my purse. You wouldn't even know it's there. No weight, no worries. Bring a couple of those because we always need Ziplocs. Now, if you've ever given to charity, sometimes charities give back. And what do you do when you go to the beach? You need a beach bag. What do you do when you go shopping and stores don't give you a bag? Put your bag inside your bag. Always have a bag available with you. They come in so handy, you'd not believe how many times why. All right, now this is another Amazon purchase I'm so excited about. So let's go ahead and open this together. And we have a beautiful travel bag, which is going to be, it's called Bag Smart from Bag Smart Official. Here or there, now or never. My friends, it's time to get out there and travel. And we have, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I am loving this, and I haven't even told you why, because this is my new toiletry bag. This is my bag that I am going to have with me on all of my trips to keep organized once and forever. Look at this. I can hang this up, my friends, with everything I need to have in the shower. This is a great, great travel bag by BagSmart. It has multi-zippers. It has holders that I can hold my bottles and keep them all still and perfect and lovely. Look how many beautiful bottles I have. Space for everything. I'm so excited about my beautiful new BagSmart. It feels great. I'm excited about this bag. Okay, what else do we have in a bag? Well, if you ever go hiking, you ever go walking, never, 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 never travel with a brand new pair of shoes. If you travel with a brand new pair of shoes that's not worn in, that's not comfortable, it may not be. But there's always a drugstore around. This is wonderful. It's called Mole Foam. I've used it in the past. I cannot tell you how this has saved my life in years and years and years past. Just take this. It has sticky on one side. put it on your foot, cover your heel, cover your toe, whatever bothers you. Directions, bathe feet and dry thoroughly. Cut multiform padding. Yes, if you only need a little piece, use a piece, but use a piece bigger than what you need. You can use the whole piece. This comes with several pieces in here. Let's see. Ultra safe, soft, day relief of pain, corns, calluses, tender spots, can be cut to any size. 2 strips. So these are 2 strips, 4 1/8 inches by 3 3/8 inches. These are wonderful. Never travel without them. You never know when you're going to need them, or somebody you know is going to need them. Traveling in a bus, on a plane, on a train. My friends, get up, move around, circulate that blood. But if you don't, make sure you have the compression socks. You choose, do you need them above the knee? Do you need them below the knee? Do you need them at all? Compression socks. It's going to help your circulation. You are going to feel better. Your feet are not going to hurt. It's amazing. Yes, get some. Okay. Toothpaste. Whatever brand you have, you need a travel size. You cannot take a full tube. If you take a 6-ounce tube, an 8-ounce tube that's all squished out and it's got hardly any left, and you put that in your carry-on bag, my friends, they're going to call you on it. They're going to kick you to the back of the line. They're going to make you wait, give you a lecture, and then they're going to take that tube and they're going to throw it away. The TSA rules, yeah, I don't make them, my friends, but the TSA rules say you're not allowed to have an 8-ounce container of liquids. So go ahead, get your travel size toothpaste, whatever flavor you like, and make sure it's a small one. Okay, now this is a cutesy little bag. This is Ashland Tumbler Pouch. It's a tumbler pouch. It can fit right around your tumbler glass and have all of your stuff in it. You don't have to carry 2 things. It also has this wonderful little hooks and loop where you can make it larger or smaller. You can have it up on your arm. You can keep your valuables inside of here. You don't have to worry about losing them, sweating through this, messing up your dollar bills or anything else. This is just a handy dandy little pouch. We're going to be making some of these on Where Wendy Creates. But until then, this is Ashland Tumbler Pouch. Goes right over the tumbler. But my friends, before we were tumbler crazy in this world, we wore it right up here on our arms. We can jog with it. We can walk with it. Nobody's going to steal this off of our arm. We're going to feel it there, know it's there. This is just a great little pouch if you want to take some money with you out when you're hiking. All right, no worry about a purse. And these, yes, don't leave home without your earbuds. We love our music. We love our movies. We love our sound. Make sure you don't forget these at home. Bring these with you. With the charge cords. Make sure you have charge cords that fit every gizmo that you have. Okay. And what else are we looking at? I brought this up just because I wanted to remember that when you travel, nothing beats an eye mask. So if you can't sleep, if things are just bugging you, you put that eye mask on, the person next to you is not going to talk to you because they're going to think you're zoning out. And this is just a nice little cheapo eye mask that we got from the airlines when we flew first class. And look at that. It's just an eye mask, my friend. Something tiny, simple like that, folds up into nothing. An extra pair of socks. They take up so little room, and yet if you're hiking, you get in water. Otherwise, you could really do well with those. And if you don't have earbuds, don't use earbuds. Consider getting just a little package of earbuds with you. If you're on that train setting coach, you're on that train, you're on that boat, you're on that ship, you get the wrong room. You want to be able to just ground out the noise, zone out, and go to sleep. Enjoy some Z's, because when you get off that boat, train, plane, you're going to want to go ahead and have fun. And you want to have your energy. So get your sleep and your downtime, earplugs, socks, and a mask is so valuable to have with you to get in all of your comfort quality time. Get your Z's so you can explore and have the most fun. All right, so what else do I need? Well, I need something to lighten up my mouth. This gives you the fresh breath. This gives you something to chew on. This gives you whatever you want, my friend. Hard candies or gum or something like that. You need something to take your mind off of the world around you. However you spell that, just get yourself something. You'll be glad you did. And this is a scale. This is on Amazon Prime right now. You can get it for like $7.99 instead of the normal $9.99. This is E-Tech City, max 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. This is a travel scale. We just hook this right around your handle of your luggage. We can read it from the top. You need a luggage scale. Know how much it weighs. Don't pay extra weight. Don't pay for that extra weight. Diversify. Leave a pair of jeans at home. Do something. And this is my bag from my bigger set of these that I got a while back. You may or may not have seen this on a previous video. I like putting my dresses, my larger items, all in this, so I know my formal clothes is all together. I can pull it out and hang it up and know that I don't have to hang up anything else, just the big bag. So there we have it. I hope I brought you a few tips and tricks. Have a great day, my friends. Happy travels. Enjoy.